everybody. I want to say a very big thank you to all my viewers all over the world, both those who subscribe, both those who doesn't subscribe, both those who are watching by the side. Guys, I appreciate you all. I will never take any of you for granted. My subscribers, my, all my YT family, my YT friends, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys highly. May God bless all of you. Thank you, thank you. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to make banana peanut butter smoothie. Peanut, we all know this is my peanut. You can use fresh peanuts, but I got this company. I like their product. They got cashew nuts, almond nuts, peanuts. So this one I'm using crunchy peanut butter, 100%. So I'm using honey. I'm gonna be using my almond milk. I got my fresh banana sitting down there. So basically, peanut butter pairs well with pretty much everything from fruits to chocolates, and the list goes on. It is ideal for breakfast, and these are lots of ways to use it. There are lots of ways to use it. Even back home in Nigeria, we use peanuts to eat garden egg. We use peanut to eat banana, If you want to go naughty with your morning breakfast or your morning meal, or get the kick, you need to start your day with peanuts banana smoothie as your breakfast. You can add oatmeal if you want. Peanut butter also contains resveratrol and antitoxin that been shown to have anti-cancer effects and may lower the risk of obesity, the risk of you putting on weight, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Banana boosts your brain. Banana are representable source of vitamin C. Magnesium in banana is good for your skin. Banana contains potassium, which is good for your health and blood pressure. Banana can aid digestion as well. Banana helps, beat gastrointestinal issues. Banana gives you energy, minus the fats and cholesterol, muscle recovery smoothie. Banana helps you to burn fat as well. Banana boosts the manpower. Banana boosts manpower. So when you do this smoothie, you can share it with your husband as well, so that he can, he can handle you well in the inner room. Like this banana peanut butter smoothies, you don't have to use blender to do anything. If you don't have a blender, don't stress yourself, because banana is easy to smash with your fork or your potato masher on your bowl. Already gets peanut butter. You just buy it and just mix everything in the bowl and use your milk. Then you got your banana smoothie. So you don't need a smoother or smoothie machine to do this process. So right now I'm gonna peel my banana off the camera and upload everything in my smoothie container. Okay, guys, keep watching, stay tuned, and God bless you. I love you all. So now I've put the banana, put my milk, my almond milk. So I'm gonna put my peanut butter in there. This is my peanut butter, goes in there. Okay. Then I'm going to put yogurt as well. Okay. I'm putting this yogurt. I'm adding this yogurt. It's a caramel one. Salted caramel yogurt. Can you see it? From Morrison's. I'm going to add it into it. So that is it. Now I'm going to go and blend it in the machine now. My banana peanut butter smoothie is ready. I'm gonna tip it in the jar. Look at that. This is filling. If you drink this in the morning, you will not feel hungry for the whole of the day. This aid you to lose weight. This help your husband manpower to be to be jerking. Healthy. I didn't put the honey anymore because the banana was so sweet. Okay, guys, that is the peanut. Goes in there. That is some ice. You know, it's refreshing, especially in this winter period, guys. You drink this, all day. You will fill up, and it's healthy. Look at that. Look at my peanut banana smoothie. It's ready.